Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel ROHIT Tech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to install Linux Mint 21.3 on VMware 17 Pro. First of all, I'm going to download Linux Mint 21.3 latest version. Open web browser. Type here download Linux Mint. Press enter. Click here on first link www.linuxmint.com. Let's scroll down. Click on download. Linux Mint ISO file image size is 2.9 GB. Here it is, provide torrent link 64-bit. Let's click on it. Now the torrent is downloaded. Let's close web browser. Click on File Explorer. Click on Downloads. Here it is over Linux Mint torrent file. I have already downloaded free download manager. Let's drag torrent file in the FDM. File name is Linux Mint 21.3. Let's click on download. Now the downloading is started. It will take some time. It's depend on your internet speed. Let's close downloads. So guys, over Linux Mint 21.3 is downloaded. Now I'm going to create new virtual machine for Linux Mint. Type here to search VMware. Click open. Now the VMware is open. Click on file. Click new virtual machine. Click next. Click next again. Choose Linux. It's already selected. Let's drop down Linux version. There are many other Linux virtual machine version available. I will choose Debian 11 x64-bit. Click next. This is default location to store virtual machine. I'm going to change it. Click on browse. Right now I have kept the all virtual machine in on folder and I am giving the path of that folder here. You can also set the path of your virtual machine according to you. Click on next. 20 GB disk space. I'm going to change it 40 GB. Click on next. Click customize hardware. Click on processor. Number of processor 2. Click on memory 4 GB. Click on CD DVD. Click use ISO image file. Click on browse. Go to your downloaded Linux Mint path. Click open. Click close. Click on finish. Now rename the virtual machine Linux Mint 21. Click power on this virtual machine. Press enter to start Linux Mint. VM screen size is too small. I'm going to stretch VM screen. Double click on install Linux Mint. Default language is English. Click on continue. Keyboard layout English US. Click on continue. Check on install multimedia codecs. Multimedia codecs are required to play some video format and to properly render some websites. Click on continue. Erase disk and install Linux Mint. Click install now. Click continue. Set the region. It's already selected Asia Kolkata. Click on continue. Type name example ROHIT. Computer name is giving default. I'm going to change it Rohit-VM. Username picking is default example Rohit. Choose a password. Confirm your password. Click on continue. Now the installation is started. You will have to wait until the Linux Mint is completely installed. Now the installation is completed. Click restart now. Go to VMware toolbar. Click on stretch again. Press enter. Type Rohit user password. Press enter. Welcome to Linux Mint. Click let's go. Let's close welcome page. So here is the Linux Mint 21.3 first look. So viewers, in this video tutorial you can learn how to download and install Linux Mint 21.3 on VMware 17 Pro. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.